Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. Today we're taking a look at this 2023 Honda Rebel 1100T DCT. This bike is available at the date of this video posting here at AlphaCars. You can view the detailed listing on our website, alphacars.com. There you can view the remaining tire and brake life, a set of high-resolution images, and some information about the bike's history. But this video, we're going to do a full condition overview of this really nice Bordeaux Red Metallic Rebel. I believe this color was only available for the 22 and 23 model years, which is a nice rarity. And this has Honda's famous DCT transmission, which is a dual clutch transmission. This also has over $2,000 in some nice accessories, including these SW Motec engine bars here, and some other nice upgrades as well, which we will go over in this video. If you are interested in this bike, reach out to us, 978-263-9000, or you can email us at sales@alphacars.com. And we do offer transportation as well. So even if you're not local, reach out and we can discuss those options with you. But now let's take a close look at this Honda. First, let's do a walk around of the Rebel. And we did acquire it from the original owner. This bike is a one-owner bike, and it's really in close to new condition. It only has 3,283 miles on it. And as I mentioned in the introduction, it has over $2,000 in aftermarket options and accessories. And I will talk about some of those in this video. Let's focus on the condition to start out. We've got this beautiful fairing here with the aftermarket windscreen. Nice black tint to it, really goes along with all the other painted black items on the bike. But common areas like, let's say the radiator here, which has a nice guard on it. Front fender, the front wheel, everything is in excellent condition. As well as the brake rotors, they have nice even wear and there's no rust or anything of that nature. And the forks are nice and dry, which is a good thing to see. Now moving on to the sort of engine area. Of course, Honda's famous DCT there. And yeah, there's not a whole lot to show because there's really no imperfections or damage to this area. We've got the SW Motec low profile engine bars here, and there are some highway pegs installed. So these fold down nicely there. And there's not a spot of corrosion on them or really anywhere on this bike. Even look at the chain. Ultra clean. This bike was so well taken care of. And we've got some upgraded floorboard style pegs here on each side. And additionally for your passenger, there's also some of these other upgraded pegs here. And the seat, it has a Mustang Tripper Series Solo Rider seat, and then it also has the Tripper Series passenger seat, also by Mustang there, which are known to make very high quality items. It has some tank pads installed on it as well to protect the tank's painted surface. And speaking of the painted surface, the tank looks really, really nice, very glossy, in good shape. There's a light scuff. You can see one here, and there's also, it's really hard to pick up, but there's a light scuff around where my finger's pointing there. And the Vance & Hines exhaust, I'll start the bike up in a second. It's not overly loud, but it does have a really nice sound and bark to it. And looking on this side, we've got these saddlebags, factory saddlebags. And the reason I was down on this side is because really the only considerable imperfection is right here. There's just this scrape in the bag. If you're able to get this touch-up paint, you can touch that up, fill this in, and I don't think it'd be too noticeable. But unfortunately, that's the only really imperfection on the bike, is that one there. This one is perfectly fine. And these are lockable, and they are keyed to the bike's ignition. And they have a very solid operation. They've got a nice sort of weather seal in here as well. So convenient storage there. And now we're getting to the dashboard, and it has an anti-glare screen protector on it. Gives it that matte finish, so you're less likely to get glare from the sun on there. And if we turn on the dash, you can see there are 3,284 miles currently on the dashboard. Looks like I might have picked up a mile just on our property here while going over the bike and moving it around. Starts right up. And it has an awesome sound, runs super smooth. And yeah, all the dashboard controls here as well. You know, the handlebar controls, it's got the factory heated grips, and there's no wear or damage on all the controls here. Even if we go on this side, some of the shift paddles and other things here, it all looks good. And you can see all the factory LED lighting on the Rebel as well. Lastly, I'll just take a peek at the tires, which I mentioned in the introduction. You can view the remaining tire and brake life from our comprehensive inspection on the online listing, but just showing you they're in excellent shape. They're not chopped or have uneven wear or anything like that. So that's really all I have to show you today on this Honda Rebel. It's in excellent condition, and it really speaks for itself. This has been Ian reporting from one of our Boxborough showrooms. If you are interested in this bike, reach out to us and we can discuss what you need to know about going forward if it is still available. And remember, we do offer transportation as well. With all that being said, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.